Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got the new Samsung Galaxy M20. It's a great smartphone for great value, and that's what I'm going to be talking in tomorrow's video as well. Value of Android and iOS. But I won't tell you much about that, no spoilers. Let's get into the unboxing experience. So the experience is pretty well, but the quality of the box doesn't match that of Apple. But for the price, it's very great. And there is a charger which is USB-C and a charger which says fast charging but does not have a watt specification. So here is a quick start guide. And it comes with the SIM ejector also. And here is the phone itself. Let's remove the plastic on it, and I've got it in black, so I think it's midnight black or something, and that's the color I've got, and it is pretty good. But the feel in the hand is not so premium, and that is a problem with most of the phones at this price range. Androids always feel like not so glass effect. They have a plasticky feel, which makes them feel a lot light. But that's just my personal opinion. Many people think it's a great one and even better than iOS or the iPhones. But I think this is a good value phone. I've got it in 64 GB. And this cost me around 11,000 rupees, so that's a great deal. And I ordered this the same day as the M30s was released, but that was just a discount for the new sale going on Amazon, and I got it from Amazon, by the way. And I had removed the packaging and packed it in that orange color wrap. So here's the phone. I'll remove the SIM card ejector, but as you can see, there are some stains on it. That's totally fine. That's the inner part. And let's continue with the process of locking in. And it is adding finishing touches, but that didn't work that well, so I had to cancel that. And as you can see, the bezel comparison, it is pretty thin because it's an old display, but the bottom chin does actually lag behind, and that is of course displays a copy of Apple's own display. So now it's asking me to sign into the Samsung account because I canceled the first option. Now that's a great time lapse. As you can see, the loading, and it is made for India, only for Indians. And it's 4 GB RAM and pretty great specs. You can shop there and see the specs if you want. As you can see, the box itself says M20, so it indeed is M20. And now in some time you'll get into what is the phone. So it says all done, and now it's your lock screen, but the Face ID isn't real. As you know, see my tomorrow's video about iOS versus Android, and that's me signing out.